Thinking of diving into crypto trading but not sure which platform to choose? Let me save you time. Bybit is one of the most trusted, secure, and feature-packed crypto exchanges in the world. And the best part? The official Bybit link is in the description, so make sure you're on the real site and avoid scams. 1. User-friendly interface. Bybit offers one of the cleanest and most user-friendly trading platforms, whether you're a complete beginner or an advanced trader. The mobile app and desktop version are both smooth, fast, and packed with powerful features. 2. Advanced trading tools. From spot and futures trading to copy trading, Bybit gives you access to professional-level tools like real-time charts, leverage positions, margin trading, and risk management settings. Plus, they support both isolated and cross-margin for serious traders. 3. High liquidity and low fees. Bybit consistently ranks among the top exchanges for liquidity, so your trades get filled fast. It also offers competitive trading fees, with maker and taker fees often lower than other platforms like Binance or Coinbase. 4. Security you can trust. Security is a huge priority on Bybit. They use cold wallet storage, multi-signature withdrawal systems, and real-time risk monitoring to keep your funds safe. Plus, they've never been hacked, which says a lot in the crypto world. 5. Powerful copy trading. Not confident in your strategies yet? No worries. Bybit's copy trading feature lets you automatically mirror top traders and learn by watching real trades in action. 6. Flexible funding and withdrawals. Deposit crypto or buy directly using your credit card, bank transfer, or P2P trading. Withdrawals are also quick and transparent with no hidden fees. 7. Bybit Card. Want to spend your crypto in real life? Bybit now offers a physical debit card that lets you spend crypto anywhere MasterCard is accepted. We've got a full tutorial on how to get the Bybit card, link in the description. 8. Regular bonuses and airdrops. Bybit also runs regular promotions, deposit bonuses, trading competitions, and even airdrops for new users. It's a great way to boost your portfolio just for signing up and using the platform. So, if you're serious about crypto trading, whether you're a beginner or a pro, Bybit has everything you need. Low fees, powerful tools, strong security, and a clean user experience. Click the official Bybit link in the description to get started today. And always make sure you're on the real site to avoid scams. Plus, don't forget to claim your welcome bonuses and explore features like copy trading and the Bybit card. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help you trade smarter.